Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. For Straight Talk, so the Galaxy S24 Ultra is not here at Straight Talk for $1299.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage, or $54.17 a month for 24 months for Smart Pay there. So pretty cool there. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series and you guys like the S Pen and the features of the Galaxy Note, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. So there is a phone right there, very nice looking phone. My favorite Samsung phone in terms of like design and stuff. I think it looks very nice, and yeah, very nice and whatnot. So anyways, y'all guys have your whole punch there for your front facing camera, earpiece above that, power and band keys on the right side of the phone. The back of the Galaxy S24 Ultra is of course your quad camera setup, camouflage Samsung logo and whatnot. So very nice there. Epic. Just like that, introducing Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, now with Galaxy AI that is built to provide you with a more personal, useful and secure mobile experience than ever before. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has the ability to handle numerous tasks, from capturing precious moments, being the ultimate productivity tool, and can handle hours of fun with powerful gaming performance. So that's very nice there. There is the Galaxy S24 Ultra front and back, a very nice looking phone. My favorite Samsung design. So yeah, very nice phone. Specs. So the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has up to 30 hours of video playback time, up to 95 hours of audio playback time, 4G LTE 5G connectivity, plus Wi-Fi 8 to 11 ABGN ACAX, CDMA. Obviously you'll be using Verizon towers. Dimensions on the Galaxy S24 Ultra: 6.39 inches height, 3.11 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth. You guys have a 6.8 inch Super AMOLED 2x Quad HD Plus display, and with the 120Hz refresh rate. You can also change it to Full HD. Y'all guys can change to Full HD if you guys want, so you guys have the option to choose from Full HD display or Quad HD display. So that's very cool. So y'all guys have 4 cameras on the rear. Y'all guys have a 200 megapixel camera, that's a wide angle lens, and that's your main camera. 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, plus 10 megapixel and 50 megapixel telephoto cameras, 12 megapixel front facing camera. So yeah, and then you guys will have up to 27 hours of battery usage on 4G LTE, and up to 28 hours of battery usage on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy chipset, GPS obviously, talk time I just went over that, 12 gigabytes of RAM, 256 gigabytes of storage. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra weighs 8.18 ounces. So yeah, so what comes with the Galaxy S24 Ultra is of course your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra Type-C to Type-C data cable, quick start guide, S Pen and whatnot. So you're sending stuff in the box there. Features: circle to search with Google, search any image, video or text on your screen, circle, highlight, scribble, or tap to pinpoint what you're curious about. Your screenshots necessary. Generative edit: turn every photo into a praiseworthy masterpiece. Move or remove objects, fill in empty space with generative edit. Night photography zoom, regardless of darkness or distance. Capture clear content with night photography and high resolution zoom on Galaxy S24 Ultra. Note Assist, a great feature for the Galaxy S24 Ultra because it has the S Pen and whatnot. Says here, capture the details in your notes and let Note Assist do the hard work of summarizing, formatting, and even translating them for you. Live Translate: speak foreign languages on the spot, right from inside the Samsung Phone app with Live Translate. High resolution: share every detail of life's most chevrolet moments in natural, true to life color with the high resolution camera of Galaxy S24 series. So yeah, very nice features and whatnot there. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's not here. It's straight talk for $1299.99 for 256 gigabytes of storage. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series and you guys like the S Pen and the features that it has, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. I am a big fan of this phone. I do like the design a lot. This is my favorite design of a phone. I think it looks very nice. I like the square design of it. I think it really is a sweet design. So that's just my personal opinion. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series with the features and design and all that, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the phone for you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.